Okay, guys, now we are going to discuss the kind of damages. How many kinds of damages are there according to the court of law? Basically, there are six types of kinds of damages. First of all, contemptuous damages, nominal damages, substantial damages, exemplary damages, general and special damages, prospective and continuous damages. These are six types of damages. So let's discuss first type of damages, that is contemptuous damages. Okay, contemptuous damages are those damages where a legal wrong was happened by a person either of mistake or willingly. Okay, right? And then sometime courts declare that the unlawful thing happens, but the person that conduct unlawful thing was such a noble person or sometimes such a good prospective person that court thinks that no action should be taken against him for the compensation. This is called contemptuous damages. They are awarded where technically a legal wrong is committed, but where the circumstances disclosed as such that the court feels that no action should have been brought. They are awarded usually in actions and defamation when the court finds that the defendant is in fault, but the plaintiff's conduct and character are such that he does not deserve to be compensated. This is called this is a contemptuous damage. Second type is nominal damages. Nominal damages are awarded by the court to the plaintiff not by a way of compensation but by the way of a recognition of some legal right of which the defendant has infringed. For example, trespass, invasion of a right of a assessment, etc. So this is called nominal damages, where the compensation to the plaintiff is not as such the compensation, but court gave the legal right to the plaintiff. This is called nominal damages. Substantial damages. They are sum of money which is awarded to the plaintiff as a fair of equitable compensation for the injury suffered by him. They are also called ordinary or compensatory damages. Such damages are awarded in grant of majority of actions. In short, where there involves a money in terms of damages is called substantial damages. Exemplary damages. Exemplary damages, these are awarded in cases where there has been great injury by reason of the aggravating circumstances accompanying the wrong. A heavy amount is awarded as the expression of indignation as the conduct of the defendant whenever he has shown a conscious disregard of the plaintiff's rights. Thus, exemplary damages may be obtained in case of seduction of a manslaughter with deliberate fraud or of gross defamation adduced by sheep spite or jewelry. Such damages are intended at once to offer solatium to the plaintiff and to be served as punishment of the defendant. These are exemplary damages. General and special damages. Damages are also divided into general and special. General damages are such as the law will presume to be the natural consequences of the defendant's acts. Special damages are such as the law will not infer unless proved it at the trial. Prospective and continuous damages. Role of double action. It should be remembered that the damages resulting from the same case of action must be recovered once for all. More than one action will not lie on the same cause of action. If A beats B and B's arm and ribs, B must sue for injury to both arms and ribs. He cannot split up his action into two, one for damage of arm and the another for damage of the ribs. This is called prospective and continuous damage.